I think it is. Yeah, Link World case. It doesn't say it on the actual box itself, but... And I haven't seen any videos on YouTube about it. So, it does not come with a power supply, and it was pretty cheap. It was $25. And it's the cheapest computer that I can find with the window on the side. So, I bought it off Newegg. The front of the case is a clear plastic covering with a silver covering on the bottom, and it has 4 disk drives with a I think 8 or 9 hard drive mounts on the back, and a floppy disk drive, power and reset button, and it has headlights kind of like a car with a grill. And then the USB and the audio ports are on the side right here, and it's just a little latch. And it feels flimsy, feels about as flimsy as a Dell, so it's not too bad. But it comes with a handle, and clear plastic covering silver plastic. So the siding is clear window that is not made very well, but it is pretty good for what I paid. And it comes with one fan right here, fan in the back, and a fan in the front to cool the hard drives. And the siding is being held on by screws, not thumbnails or whatever. So.
And how much did you pay for it?
$25, and I think it was free shipping. So, and it isn't too bad.
From Newegg.
Yeah, from Newegg. It's kind of flimsy, but it's not bad. I think this is LED. I'm not too sure, but I'll find out tomorrow, and I will be building it, and I'll show you guys. But it comes with the standoffs and the mounts and a case speaker with some instructions, which I read through them, and it kind of just shows you where they can go, and it's not very well, but I already know where they go. So here's the Molex plugs for the front, or for the back fan. Molex plugs for the front fan. I think this is the USB. Yeah, this is the USB header. This is the audio header. Here's the Molex for, I want to say, the power and the reset, along with these other ones. There's the hard disk drive light switch, the power switch, reset switch, and the power LED. And 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So about five hard drive mounts, and then you can it has a cable management system in the back, so that way if you're going for a cleaner, air efficient system, you can. It's not painted, but I obviously knew that. So yeah, it has.
It's 2 fans, is that right? This fan here?
No, 3 fans.
Oh, 3 fans. Oh.
Because there's one on the window and then.
$25. That's pretty good, right, for all that?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 7 PCI slots, and the back is a punch out. So, your motherboard should come with one. If it doesn't, then I don't know where you got your motherboard. But pretty much you just. Okay. Well, I've never made a computer, so I have no idea what I'm doing exactly. But I do know this comes out because
we're gonna do it together.
Yeah. Well. So that comes out, and then you put the one that came with your motherboard in there. So, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.